tell me, how was your journey been so far? Like, what about your preparation strategy?
I joined the journey with academically. I didn't know anything about this exam, AMC exam. But so basically, academically helped me throughout the journey.
Sometimes students feel a loss of track. So, how does one stay on track and how do you keep yourself motivated?
See, the thing is, everybody have their own journey, of course, but you should contact as many people as possible who are appearing for the similar exam.
Hi, we have with us Dr. Nitika. She just cleared her AMC exam today. So, congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you so much for that.
So, Doctor, tell me, how was your journey been so far? Like, and what about your preparation strategy?
Yes, so this was my second attempt that I had to give. Firstly, I attempted in March exam, and I scored like a little lesser, and I couldn't pass, unfortunately. But I joined the journey with academically. I didn't know anything about this exam, AMC exam. But so basically academically helped me throughout the journey. I joined last year in July, and there were a lot of lectures about the same, how to provide the protocols and everything. And the recall sessions are a must. Lectures provide you the basic information, the knowledge that you have to learn and rote learn about all of the things, but mostly the exam is clinical based, and all you have to look onto is the recalls. You have to do as many questions as possible for that. And that's what my mistake in the first attempt was, that I didn't do a lot of questions for that. After this, I worked upon that, and I did a lot of recalls. And Blue Book is also a must to actually understand what sort of questions the AMC provide us, because the information is same in all the exams, but how they actually want you to test is the question about the protocols and their guidelines. Basically, you should understand the RACGP guidelines and the ATG guidelines thoroughly, and then go and appear for the exams.
Okay. So, my another question would be, how does one keep themselves, motivated throughout this journey? Because obviously, like you are reading a lot, and sometimes, it is different from where you have done your med school. So sometimes students feel a loss of track. So, how does one stay on track, and how do you keep yourself motivated?
See, the thing is, everybody have their own journey, of course, but you should contact as many people as possible who are appearing for the similar exam, and try to create a group so that you are in touch of everybody as to how somebody is approaching for the exam in the same basis. And because of that, you will understand what everybody else is studying, and how are the pace of that. And then you can ask each other the questions. Like, I also studied with a study partner, that same group that academically was provided with, and it's going to be very beneficial for all of you.
All right. I think this is a good input, like, because we recommend students to have study buddies so that they can, keep going. So, according to you, what are the three must dos that you would recommend anybody who wants to clear this exam, without which, you can't actually clear the exam?
First and foremost, every exam, I must say this fact, USMLE or AMC or NEET exam, all of it, the basic anatomy and basic science are the same, right? But the only fact is how they test your knowledge. So the protocols, you have to study RACGP guidelines thoroughly. Anywhere that you are stuck, you don't know what the exact question is, because the answers for the five options that they give, they are not very poles apart. We have to do everything in order for that question. So you just have to understand the best, the most appropriate, and the next step that the question provides in the end line. So with that, you have to thoroughly revise and go to the RACGP guidelines and ATG guidelines. And then Blue Book is also one of the things that you should do first, at least for once, because you will understand what level of questions that they are asking you for.
All right. So, thank you very much, Dr. Natika, for your insight into, exam preparation strategy. And we wish you all the very best for your journey ahead.
Thank you so much.